With the rapid development of society and economy, many environmental problems have come with it. Exhaust pollution is the main cause of smog and environmental degradation. Xicheng EP Limited, Xicheng, focusing on the environmental protection for decades, is committed to providing energy-saving and efficient waste gas equipment. It is a professional manufacturer which engaged in industrial acid and alkali waste gas treatment equipment, PP ventilation pipe fittings R&D, and production and manufacturer sales. As a manufacturer, Xicheng has a large number of molds and advanced equipment. The entire process from raw materials to finished products is controlled, which can effectively control costs. Xicheng has continuously researched and developed specialized products for industry and has made modular, large-scale, standardized production of products, which has improved the effect, ensures the high quality, reduces the selling price, and maximizes the benefits of customers. The company's main products are gas disposal scrubber, activated carbon absorption tower, PP material manual electric pneumatic air valve and accessories, PP sheet, PP pipe, PPT, PP elbow, laboratory intelligent ventilation control system, ABS constant air volume valve, variable air volume valve, electric valve, and manual valve, anti-corrosive efficient impeller and fan, anti-corrosive energy-saving pump, washing tower packing, grills, window accessories, non-standard processing products, etc. Xicheng has 26 production bases in key areas all over the world, and its products cover all major regions of the world, such as Southeast Asia, Europe, the Middle East, South America, and other regions. Customers' recognition comes from meticulous surveys, mutual benefit, and win-win cooperation. Xicheng constantly forges ahead and develops all kinds of new products with major research institutes and university research institutes, such as high-efficiency fan, automatic constant flow valve, anti-corrosive efficient pump, and other high-efficiency energy-saving products. Xicheng will continue to create sincere, valuable, and pursued products and services for the society. With the hope of lush mountains and lucid waters, with the dream of blue sky and white clouds, whether now or in the future, we will always persist until success. Xicheng will make an all-out effort to enhance the environmental protection career with better products and services.